Oh, oh. Okay. In this video, I'm going to introduce the tool I made. This is a tool I made for uh, based on the ideas from Conway's Game of Life. It has very simple rules based on how many neighborhoods it has. It has to decide whether the cell survives in the next iteration, and it's actually two web pages. So once I'm not really sure how many cells there are. Anyway, I'm going to create a very simple law here. It has two, it has three zero. If it has zero, it dies. It has three two neighbors. It has three neighborhoods. It gives birth to. It has two or three neighborhoods. It will survive. Two or three neighborhoods, and then when it has. Oh, maybe I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. It has more than three neighborhoods. It dies. So in this way, it will die, and it has three exact three neighborhoods. It is perpetuation. It has three. It gave birth to. I think this is roughly the rules I need. So I can paste the rule here, and start with an iteration. So another version is if these rules are totally correct, but you can see in the page it's running, and it's roughly. So the problem is the page is quite slow since my JavaScript is not optimized well, and it's also slowing down since it's recording the video. So in this tool, there are the filters of the numbers, number of the cells, like three cells, 4 cells, 5 cells, and if you click to enable the cell, enable this rule, and it means if there are 5 cells without a center cell, and it in the next iteration it will give birth to a new cell here, and if in such a rule means if there are 4 neighborhoods in this way, and there's a cell in the center, and it will survive in the next iteration. So and it just filter and check and uncheck to make this rule, and you get, and then there's the rule consists of 1 and the digit 1 and the lodash. Then paste the rule here, and command enter to confirm, and then great. Well, to use random grid or the initial grid at the center. So it's quite slow here. So this is roughly the example, and since it's a custom editor, you are free to add your own rules, like in this way, and which means they are allowed to extend in two directions, in to up and right and left in these directions. So it will work. So I'm not sure if there are more patterns. It's very a lot of combinations of the rules. So I'm not sure how I can create a meaningful patterns. Some Some meaningful pattern I made, I think is to enable these rules, and they can create the rules here, and let's try. And it's not symmetric. That's the problem. Huh. Oh no. 6. Yeah. Remains. Clippers. Means uncheck. 2. No, try again. Well, at least it's generating a meaningful pattern. It looks like something, and maybe there are more patterns, just too many possibilities. So I'm going to stop here. You can find these addresses and try these demos. Thanks for watching.